Greetings, welcome to Rain Shine Permaculture. In this video, I want to share with you one of our favorite crops that we grow here on our homestead. Yacon, Smallanthus sonchifolius, is also known as the Peruvian ground apple. It originates in South America and is grown in the mid-elevation of the Andes for its delicious edible tubers that can be eaten raw, cooked, or fermented. It grows great here on the Pacific Northcoast, and it's become a staple in our diet over the last few years. This year was an exceptional year for our Yacon crop, so I want to take this opportunity to show you what a really healthy specimen looks like. The plant next to me grew over 7 feet tall. It's one of the bigger plants we've grown over the last few years. I cleaned the soil away and washed some of the tubers just to show you what this really productive specimen looks like. This plant will easily produce 25 pounds of tubers, so it's a really productive plant. I'm going to grab the camera now and give you a close-up to what some of these tubers look like when they're cleaned and sliced. Yacon has a fairly long growing season. We plant it in early spring after the last frost and then harvest it after the first frost. It's a unique plant in that it grows two types of tubers. The large potato-like tubers are for eating, and then the purple clusters are for planting next year's crop. At harvest, we like to separate the planting tubers from last year's growing stem and then store those for planting next spring. The edible tubers we keep in cardboard boxes, and those last up to 4 months. It makes a great winter storage crop. Initially after harvest, Yacon's not very sweet, but if you give it a chance to shelf ripen, it develops a delicious fruit-like texture. Here's what a small plant looks like. Our nursery is a source for this plant locally. So if you're close by, get it from us. Otherwise, look for it where you live. We hope you enjoyed this video. Happy gardening.